In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get blueprints here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you really just help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the main way to get them is by exploring maps, looting, and defeating enemies. Some of the best sources are going to be weapon cases, raider caches, and other loot containers. And if you actually open up your map and go to any area, for example, we'll go into the buried city. If you hit inspect, you're going to see these like little red areas on here. These are going to be high loot areas, and they actually give you a way better chance to find blueprints. Now, you can also defeat arcs and enemies in game, since sometimes they do carry blueprints as well. But on top of that, you can also complete quests and trials, because those can reward you with blueprints too. Occasionally special events as well. But basically, just go out there, explore, especially these red areas on any of the maps, and you could check every single one of them. They're all going to have these red areas here because those are going to be high loot areas, and that's how you can get blueprints quick. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.